Do I see my black bunny? What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I curled this hair. This is the Black Bonnie hair that I reviewed not too long ago, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I style hair. I did a poll on my Instagram recently, and a lot of you guys told me that you wanted me to focus on fashion and beauty, including hair. So I definitely wanted to show you guys how I curl my hair, and pretty much how I get it looking like this with like super gorgeous like Hollywood style curls. And these are pin curls, and this is the result of the pin curls. So if you want to see how I went about this, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. Smash that subscribe button because you know you won't. it's looking like. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna look in the mirror and just like mess with it a little bit more. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you guys can see, this hair can hold a curl really well. I would definitely say that this hair definitely holds a curl the longer that the heat has been on it. Given that this hair has been processed and I've dyed it and all of that, I would say that it's holding a curl pretty well. It's probably not as well as it would if this was just virgin hair, like if I didn't dye it or anything. But given the fact that this hair has been super processed, I am very pleased with the results and how it looks with my pin curls. The hair looks gorgeous. It's definitely given Hollywood glamour. I'm here for it. So of course, be sure to check out Black Bonnie Hair, because as you guys can see, honey, this hair can be dyed and this hair can be curled and whatnot, and these are the results I got from my pin curls, and I just think this looks super glamorous, super cute. So yeah, that's it for this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked how the hair turned out. Comment down below any other ideas you have for videos, but other than that, don't forget to tell your mommy, your auntie, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and your grandma to join my family, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Much love. Bye YouTube.